Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete your chat history in Google Gemini. In order to do so, first off, here we are at gemini.google.com, and if you're here and you're logged in, then you should see a screen similar to this. What you're looking for is up at the top left hand corner. You'll see these three lines, and if you select that, it will expand this menu and you can see your chat history. Next to each chat, if you hover over it with your mouse, you're going to see three little dots, and if you click that and then select delete, it will delete the chat. You can also do the same thing here in the activity tab here in the menu. If you select activity, then you'll see another area here where you can quickly delete chats based on the day. So if you have chats from today and you want to clear those out, then this is one way of doing that, is going to the activity tab. But the easiest way is probably just to look in the side menu, find your chats, click the three dots, and then select delete. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.